a clean sheet. And as long as they can push that limit, they want that record to keep the clean sheet. So for me, it's the basis upon which we build our program this season. In fact, we went about our preparation in a way that would encourage this type of play, and that's what we see the fruit of now. I mean, I'm saying persons will walk away and say, okay, William, they didn't look good today, we can beat them. You see, I'm not worried about being better than maybe Clarendon College today or Frome Technical today. I'm worried about being better than Paul Bogle on a day. So for me, each day, I just want to be better than the team I'm playing, and that's all that matters.
They said defense winning titles, goals winning games. So basically, can you take us through this game? How difficult was this game for you guys, and what are your thoughts on your team performance today?
I think it's going to be difficult for a lot of teams because of the turnaround for playing times. Our recovery and rest is going to be critical, has been critical for us. But I think today, mentally, my players just might have played Paul Bogle rather than play an opponent in front of them, and recognize that at this stage, there's no easy team. They got here for a reason. And for us to think that this was an easy team in the zone, Paul Bogle will cause problems for people. And I think the team mentally didn't get grips with it early enough, and then Paul Bogle grew in the game. But I think because of our defensive solidity and organization as a team, and we have potency in attack, this is our 51st goal of the season. So yeah, we not just win 1-0, but the last two games has been 1-0, which shows when we need to grind it out, we can grind it out.
Yeah, champion team normally grind out results, and that's quite an important asset for you guys so far. So going on from here, what do you say about the other teams that are facing the group? You have seen two teams play today. What are your thoughts on those two teams?
Like I said, it's Cornwall College, and I'm just thinking about Cornwall College now, and we have a good history against Cornwall College. For that game, though, I don't think it would be difficult for me as coach to get them riled up for that. They've always been ready for Cornwall College. So for me, it's about getting them ready now physically. After a grueling game, the turnaround time is short because we play Cornwall on Tuesday. So yeah, it's about recovery. It's all about recovery now.
Yeah, and last year, you beat Cornwall College. Do you think that they'll be coming for you with a little bit of revenge?
Yeah, they would probably think that. I've never told my boys about revenge, or it's just about the game. On the day we want to win. Anything that gets them going though. So I know for Cornwall College, they will come thinking that they have William Knibb's ticket. We will go out in that game, try to be as organized and as structured as we have been, make it difficult for them, and again try to win it.
Yeah. Last year it was a high scoring encounter. You will realize this since the group stages, most goals in the group stage, and since then only 2 goals?
2 goals.
Is that any at all concerning for you?
Not really concerning, but there are areas that we can improve on in terms of our final third, and that can be worked on. But what I think this team does is give the team a long shot at scoring a goal. So we keep solid, we keep working. They don't get frustrated when 70 minutes is gone and they don't score. They keep working because they know there's a platform behind them and they will get that one chance. And what we want to do is to take that one chance. Today Mark Lewis took his one chance against who they played the last time, Petersfield. He took that one chance he got. Before that he would miss his first chance. I think he's maturing nicely. He's holding that line very good, and I think he'll always give us a chance in game as long as our team stays solid.
All right, coach. Thank you.